Hey there, fine people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some indie nail polish from 1422 Designs out of Michigan. And they had a sale in the middle of December for the creator's birthday. And I didn't get them for Black Friday, so I was glad they had another sale. Okay, lots of stuff. Isn't this cute? They've got the brand 1422 Designs and Joy inside. And then this cute little fragile sticker. Oh, the Polish Beauty Expo, July 13th and 14th this summer. I'm thinking about going to that. I think that would be pretty cool. And it looks like the tickets are going to be on sale, so are already on sale. So I better check that out. Nice. Let me know if you're going to be going to this. I would love to spend some time with other polish-obsessed people. Then we have their business card and pretty rose gold metallic, hand-mixed nail lacquer and body care. Bonnie Systema. And the QR code. Oh look, a nice note, Tanya. Hi, thank you so much for your order. I just love the shimmer in chocolate letter and marzipan. Hope you do too. Enjoy. XO Bonnie. Nice. And it looks like I got a free... I don't remember if I ordered unicorn poop. I'm not sure. I don't think I did. Maybe I did. Oh, this is, I was thinking it was glitter because it says unicorn poop, but it's a hand salve. SOS cuticle and hand salve. Scoop out a small amount and massage into cuticles. Nice. So this is like a free sample. Very cool. Does have a slight smell. It's pretty solid. Very emollient. Nice. It smells good. I've said before how I don't like too strongly fragranced things. And it does say this is a skin-safe fragrance oil. So their boxes are really pretty. Copper lettering. The ingredients: cruelty-free, non-toxic, no formaldehyde or toluene. Okay, so first, this is a Dutch Christmas chocolate letter, November 2023. Brown with maybe a red shimmer and silver glitter. Maybe some hollow in there, holographic glitter. a nice wide brush, kind of rounded, which I prefer, but it's not too wide. That's really pretty. Reminds me a little bit of gingerbread. Same kind of box. Doesn't indicate on the outside what it is. Oh, look at that. It's like a light sage green with a strong pink shimmer in the bottle. Some silver, maybe holographic glitter. This is marzipan. Wow, that is... There's a great shift on that. Look at that. Gorgeous. And finally, this is Swatchtacular, and it looks like a white crelly with copper or orange holographic glitter and some black micro glitter maybe. There's also some really tiny orange glitters in there. This one, I mean, obviously fall is over. We're headed towards the new year. But you know how it is with indies. If they decide not to make it again, you're not going to get it. So I couldn't resist this. Look at that. Hollow. I love hollow glitter. Gorgeous. So these are super cute. I should probably do a swatching review. I apologize for all the potatoes. If you stick around to the end, I realized that the swatches were bad, and the last one is 100% better, I promise. This is the first coat of chocolate letter. It's part of the Dutch Christmas collection by 1422 Designs, and it's described as a brown polish packed with green, gold, orange, red, shifting shimmer, and holographic flakes. I was pleasantly surprised how opaque this was even in the first coat. I do use a base coat that hides my natural nail. I can see some of the red and pink shift here in the swatch. I'll include some pictures after this section to show some of the other color shifts I was able to get. Here I am in the living room, and my camera is refusing to focus. And this is still in the living room, but over the back of my husband's laptop. And you can see the gold and green shift in this light, and a little bit of the pink. Really stunning. This is Swatchtacular, a white crelly with an orange holographic glitter mix and black flakies.
Here's the second coat. I'm not sure that I could have gotten away with just 2 coats had I not had this white base coat on, but it's still really quite pretty and jam-packed with glitter. Next we have Marzipan, which is a pale green crelly with pink, orange, green shifting shimmer and holographic flakes. This polish was so stunning that I decided to wear it for the rest of the day, even though I'd had plans to do something else. I had previously recorded the swatch video and had already seen that it was pretty potato-y, so I figured out some different techniques to get better video. So this particular one is much better. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below.